Hello everyone, this is Mintochu here, and we are playing Animal Crossing today. Okay, so there's actually a very big update today. And I found out that Brewster's coming! Wow, we've been waiting for so long for Brewster to arrive. I'm so happy. I can't wait. I finally updated because yeah, it took a while because my phone ran out of space again. So I had to delete a lot of unwanted apps. Unused and unwanted at this point. So yeah, right now I'm just going to go straight into the game. I heard that Brewster. Yeah, okay, let's look at Brewster's coop. Alright, so the new update. Brewster drops in to visit. Yay! So Brewster will allow us to... Okay, so he's like an NPC. He will be called to your campsite. And I'm guessing he needs tickets. Yes, 350 tickets. Okay. But thankfully I've saved up enough. As you can see, I didn't play the Mario event. I collected as much, like one of each item, and I think I probably crafted a few clothes, but that's about it. The ones that required leaf tickets, I totally hoarded them because I knew something big would come and there will be something else that I would really like this one. Like, I've been waiting for Brewster ever since my friend Rin told me about it. Yeah, even for when there was a KK Slider and Tom Nook, I only chose KK Slider. And yeah, you can see my animals. Finally! Yeah, I've got all three of them. The villagers from Gulliver's Travelers, but I only hosted Rowan this time because all these are the sporty animals. I was crafting some sporty amenities before this. And yes, this is the elegant amenity. You can see Francine. And my favorite Marshall! And he's eating a sandwich. Okay. Alright. So, let's get into it. Say goodbye to my leaf tickets. Okay, and it should be under event. There we go. Event. I'm so heart pain, but okay, let's do this. I was trying to save up to 1,000. I mean, that was actually my own personal goal. He's so cute. I really like his eyebrows. Look at this, it's like so straight and he's like diligently cleaning the coffee cup. Okay. Okay. So, crafting this item will allow you to talk to Brewster at your campsite. So, he does not have a friendship level just like the others. And you can only have one. Alright. Okay. Let's do this. Oh, look at that. Yes. Here we go. Yay! He's so cute. I love his little store, his own little barista. It's like a mini cart. Okay, so now to place his mini cart. Yeah, you can see that I haven't invited a lot of animals because I actually saved them for those events where you have to host the most, and it'll be easier for me to clear them off quickly, and I can get the new essences. And I know I'm always behind a lot of people when they're crafting amenities. I mean, I'm not in a race to craft them all, but I try to hold up as much as possible as I can, and then I'll just craft them at one go. At least then I wouldn't have the pain of trying to collect them and then thinking that I don't have enough. Okay, so we go. Oh no, we have no place for him. Oh yes, let me put this away. And let's see, where should I place him? Maybe I should move. Oops, that was a mistake. Let me get back the flower. Was it pink one? Yes. These were from the Easter event. For those of you who haven't followed this. Okay, I'm just gonna shift the furniture really quickly. Yeah, this event was pretty tough, but at the same time really fun when you have a lot of friends helping you out. And I'm quite happy that I got all the furniture that I wanted. And this one was from Lottie's Gothic event. Yeah. Okay. Yes! And he can stand here. Oops. Okay. Okay. He's gonna be making coffee for all of them. Alright. And we're done. Okay, so let's talk to him. Cool. Oh gosh, so he polishes all the cups. Man, he totally hates paper cups. But he's giving them one to you. This is so cute. Let's see what he says. Hello. Gosh, he's really passionate about his coffee. Wow, I feel like I'm really talking to a real barista. Like, okay, so he only has these 3 lines. I'm gonna wait and see what he does after. Maybe he might offer me a cup of coffee. Yeah, so far I'm just gonna let him stay here. And alright. And the next one that I'm also going to get is like you can see is at the banner above. Oh sorry, I clicked on the wrong one. Yeah, I was trying to click Celeste telescope. There we go. She came in February, but I also didn't want to craft her because as you can see, she also cost 350 tickets. Oh gosh, but at least Animal Crossing has been really kind and they've been giving us lots of leaf tickets for free that we can play during the event and collect them and hoard them for us free players. Yeah, so thing is that she's going to end pretty soon too, so I might just get her. because I really like Celeste. I watched the Animal Crossing video and oh, look at that, she's so cute. I know she doesn't say anything in regards to Brewster. Brewster has the most lines, like out of all of them, like Brewster has the most interaction lines. But again, I only can have one displayed each time. While KK, I chose KK because he played the guitar. Nook doesn't really do anything, but you can actually sit on his chair. Yeah, you can actually place his chair in your camper and you can sit on it. But other than that, yeah. Okay. Here we go. Goodbye, 350 tickets. Again. Ah, this is so painful, but alright. There we go. Oh, yeah! Okay. Yay! Okay, so Celeste would just come and look and peer into the telescope, and I think that's about it. I'm not sure if she has any lines. We'll see about that. Let's try to put her on the camp. Oops, sorry. So I can show you guys how. Okay, sorry. Maybe I would just put away the. Let me see what I can put away. I kind of. It's the problem with having themed sites. It's like you don't really know what to put away. Okay, maybe I'll just put away Brewster's one, and I'll just show you what Celeste one will look like. Okay, so she stands this way. I can actually turn it around. She can stand this way. Alright, so let's just put that as done, save. And there we have her. Oh, she has lines! Oh, she's so cute! Yes, her brothers. Okay, let's click another one. Oh, she only has one line? Okay, I'm just gonna try one more time.